Hi children, today we will discuss second lesson. Second lesson name is In the Park. What's the second lesson name? In the Park. First we will discuss word fun. Now let us see the first picture. What's the first picture? Picnic basket. Picnic basket. What's the second picture? Bread crumbs. Bread crumbs. Third picture? Waving. Waving. Fourth picture? Seesaw. Seesaw. Fifth picture? Wagging. Wagging. Now, I ask some questions, children. Do you like going to parks? Yes or no? Yes. What are the things that you see and do in a park? Seesaw, ponds, ducks, so on. What are the things that you should not do in a park? Yes, don't pluck flowers, don't pollute water in ponds, don't throw wastage that you ate in the park. Make a list of things you would like to carry in a picnic basket. My list: fruits, sandwiches, water bottle, cups, plates, napkins, and so on. Write down, children. Write down in your term book. Before going to lesson, let us discuss some questions. Did you go to the park anytime? Say sir, no? Yes. If you went to park, are there many flowers in the park? Say sir, no? Yes. If so, what color are they? Yellow, red, pink, white, etc. What do children enjoy doing in a park? Yes, by playing games. What else does the park have? Yes, pond, swing, seesaw, playground, etc. Now I am discussing lesson. One day, Papi and Tinku went to the park with Mummy. They carried a picnic basket with lots of things to eat. They also took a ball to play with. Papi carried a loaf of bread for the ducks. What did Papi, Tinku, and Mummy carry to the park? Yes, a basket with eating things and ball to play. And ball. Okay, now. Who carried a loaf of bread for ducks? Yes, Papi. Next paragraph, children. First, they went to the pond. First, Tinku, Papi, Mummy went to the pond. The ducks were happy to see them. Who were happy to see them? Yes, the ducks. Papi and Tinku fed breadcrumbs to the ducks. What did Papi and Tinku give to the ducks? Yes, breadcrumbs. Bread crumbs. It was nice to watch the ducks eat the bread. Children, what was nice to see? Yes, when ducks are eating the breadcrumbs, it was nice to see. Okay, na? What ma? When ducks are eating the breadcrumbs, it was nice to see. Next paragraph, children. Then Papi and Tinku went to the playground. Went to the playground. The playground was full of children. They did not find any swing free. How was the playground look like? How was the playground look like? Yes, it's looking like a full of children in the playground. Okay, children. Today half part was completed. Tomorrow we can discuss another part. Thank you, children.